Import a filtered Excel lists for pre-planning. When creating the pre-planning, you can import lists with pre-planning data that were created in external applications. During the import of Excel lists, filters set in Excel are now also taken into consideration. During the import of Excel lists, filters set in Excel are now also taken into consideration. In the Select Data Source dialog, select the desired Excel file for the import. By the way, in the new version you can also import Excel spreadsheets in XLSM and XLSB format. Specify the scheme for the assignment of the external fields to the EPLAN properties in the Field Assignment field. If you have already created a scheme for the field assignment, you can select it from the drop-down list. The data to be imported from the Excel file are displayed in the Synchronized Pre-Planning Data dialog. The application of filtered Excel lists reduces the displayed pre-planning data in the synchronization dialog and thus makes the import more transparent and faster.